Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're at Nature Works Park. This is just below Chimney Rocks, which is up on that mountain where we were in the last video. So if you like mountain hikes, go check out the past video. It's got some great views too. And this one is Nature Works Park. It's kind of down in the community here, so let's see what's here. I bet in the summer this has all kinds of plants and it looks nice. In the summertime, there must be a garden here, and it looks probably really nice. Oh, goes a robin? I think a robin. Bunch of them. Whoa, look at this tree. I know it says generously provided, but this thing is all spikes. Look at that. Oh man, this isn't like a small thorn bush. These things are huge. Look at this. Crazy. This thing is all thorns. Looks like the whole way up. Wow. Well, you gotta watch where you're stepping here, but look at this. Oh my goodness. I don't ever seen a tree like that. That is sharp. Look at that. Let me turn the camera around. Actually, let's go this way. So I can get those. I mean, those are huge thorns, the size of my hand. And those thorns. Ow. Not messing with that. And they're the whole way up. That is the spikiest tree I've ever seen. Imagine a branch of this tree falls on you. Ouch. Look at that. Man, there's another one here too. Look at these thorns. I've never seen this. And I've done quite a few nature videos around here. Look at the size of these thorns, man. I've never seen such a thing. Wow. Ow. I accidentally pricked one a little bit. I want to mess with that tree. It's like you gotta even watch where you're going because this thing has these huge spikes. Like, look at the size of the spike. And you're just gonna hit your head right into that branch, man. This park's dangerous. This nice little side boardwalk thing here. It must be really pretty in the summer. This was built by Heminger in 2021. Boy Scouts. Very cool. So let's take a look at this. This was an Eagle Scout project. Then in the summer, they must have different plants that grow up here. You can see different signs they have all over for the different plants that you might see in here. They didn't label the epic thorn tree though, so I do wonder what that is. All right, well, that's it for this community park. It was a little more than I expected, right? We had a nice boardwalk there. That was really nice. Pavilion, we saw a farm, or a barn, not a farm. Some nice, probably garden areas when it's springtime. And of course, we saw a tree of death. I think that was very interesting. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.